In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp folders. By the end, you'll confidently create a clear, organized structure that keeps your work easy to find and even easier to manage. First, head to ClickUp in your browser and open your workspace. If you're prompted to sign in, do that as you normally would. Once you're in, think of folders in ClickUp as organizers that sit inside a space. They group related lists and tasks, so projects, sprints, or departments stay tidy and focused. Next, open the space where you want this folder to live. A space is the broad container for a team or function, like marketing, product, or operations. You'll find your spaces listed in the sidebar. Click the one that makes the most sense for the type of work this folder will hold. Inside that space, look for the plus icon that lets you add new items. This is typically visible near the top or in the sidebar. Click the plus icon to expand your Create options. You'll see choices like List, Doc, and more. Here, choose Folder. Selecting folder ensures you're creating a container for multiple lists rather than a single list or a document. Now it's time to name your folder. Pick a name that's specific and easily scannable. For example, instead of Projects, try Q3 Website Launch or Customer Onboarding. Consistent naming helps you and your teammates immediately understand what's inside without having to open it. If your organization has naming conventions, follow them here. Add a short description to give context. This is your chance to explain the folder's purpose, its scope, any key dates, or who the folder is for. Clear descriptions reduce back and forth questions and make onboarding new collaborators smoother. If you use tags or standard labels, mention them in the description so everyone is aligned. When everything looks good, click Create. Your new folder will appear in the Spaces sidebar. That's your confirmation that it's live and ready to use. From here, you'll see that ClickUp lets you keep related work neatly grouped under this folder, which makes reporting, permissions, and views much cleaner as your projects grow. To recap, you went to ClickUp, opened the right space, used the plus icon to choose folder, gave it a clear name, added a helpful description, and created it. Keep names specific, write concise descriptions, and place folders in the space where the work truly belongs. With that simple approach, your team will spend less time digging and more time doing.